Hello children, today we are going to know about some output devices. So let's get started. Do you know output devices are used to show the results of the computer processing? Come on, we will show you some output devices. Output device is used for displaying or printing the processed data in a user readable form. Monitor and printer are most commonly used output devices. Monitors are of three types: cathode ray tube monitors, LCD monitors, and LED monitors. Printer is a peripheral device used for printing the output on a paper or any other printable media. Printer is broadly classified into two categories: impact printer and non-impact printer. Impact printer allow physical contact between the printer head and paper, while non-impact printers do not allow physical contact between the printing head and paper. Civil printer. It is an impact printer. These printers have good letter formation capability but cannot produce graphics. Dot matrix printer. It is also an impact printer. These are the only impact printers in use nowadays. Inkjet printer. It is a not impact printer. They produce images by spraying tiny droplets onto the paper. Laser printer. It is also a non-impact printer. These printers use photocopy technology to print. Laser printers use a laser beam and dry powdered ink to produce a fine dot matrix pattern. The quality of output on paper is very good. They can also produce high quality images. See few more printers: thermal printer and 3D printer. Thermal printers use a special heat sensitive paper. Characters are formed when heated elements come in contact with the heat sensitive paper, thus forming darkened top. 3D printers are used to create objects using additive processes. An object is created by laying down successive layers of material until an object is entirely made. See, this is headphone. A person wearing headphone can hear the sound output. See, that is speaker. The sound output on the computer is heard on the speaker. We speak into the mic and hear from the speaker. Plotter is another output device. It is of two types: flatbed plotter and drum plotter. Plotters are large printers used in architectural or other technical design offices. We can print large maps, charts, or drawings of buildings on the plotter. Projector. The projector projects an input image onto a large screen just as we see a movie in a theater. Thank you and have a nice day, dear children.